Hello my friends, welcome to Belgrade again. Saturday afternoon, the street of the boulevard of Omladinskih Brigada. Actually it's called the street, although it's quite a boulevard. The tall building that we see in front of us is the West 65 Tower, under construction but progressing very well. And to the left, the tower is actually the bell ring, the tower of one of the latest churches in Belgrade. I'm not really sure what is this block. Let me try to understand. Okay, it will be difficult. Never mind. We are now approaching the highway, and we will be turning to the highway direction Niš, or we are talking about Belgrade direction Autokomanda, Mostarska petlja, etc. Almost. And soon there will be Belgrade Arena in front of us. See now on our left part of the Belgrade Stark Arena. One interesting point, today's date was pretty much, it's very important in the Serbian history. In 2014 on today's date, 1911, Serbia has declared war to the Ottoman Empire, together with Bulgaria at the same date, whereby Montenegro, the small Montenegro did it before. I mean, practically 9 days or 7 days before, I cannot recall right now. And Greece did it one day after, so on today's date, tomorrow's date, so that all four countries that were forming so-called Balkan Alliance declared almost simultaneously, let's say, declared war to Turkey, not to Turkey, sorry, but to the Ottoman Empire. And it was a fierce victory, fierce war, fierce. I mean, the battles were fierce, but the war did not take long, because already at the 11th of December, okay, we cannot say that the Ottoman Empire capitulated or something, but there was a peace treaty in London where Ottoman Empire has given up practically all of its, so 90% of its European territories was practically given up, because the defeats of the Ottoman army were heavy. Serbia managed to liberate the entire territory of southern Serbia and today's territory of northern Macedonia completely. Montenegro managed to liberate the entire territory of Montenegro and the part of the today's Albania. most of all Skadar, Shkodra. Greece managed to liberate the entire territory of Greek Macedonia and Thessaly and Trachea, etc., etc. So practically the entire territory of today's Greece. And Bulgaria, well, this was the catch. Bulgaria managed to liberate most of practically the entire eastern territory, southeastern territory of today's Bulgaria, but they considered that as not sufficient, and then they requested from Greece and from Serbia some concessions in the territories that these two countries liberated. From Serbia, practically half of, or even more than half of today's Northern Macedonia, and from Greece, practically larger territory of, I mean, the practically entire Trachea and part of the Greek Macedonia. Possibly also including the city of Thessaloniki. But as that didn't happen some months ago, some months after Bulgaria declared war to Serbia, and this is how the Second Balkan War started. And of course, as Serbia was still in the alliance with Greece and Montenegro, practically that meant that Bulgaria did declare war to all three ex-allies, and they were heavily defeated. Now, oh, nice Porsche, the double X Carrera 4S. Yeah, the Autokomanda. Now approaching the beginning of Ustanička Street and the beginning of South Boulevard, Južni Boulevard. Okay, that much for now. That was also one lesson from the history of this region. And talk to you soon again. Bye bye.